Welcome back guys. In this lecture we will learn channel dashboard, videos, playlist, analytics, command, subtitle, monetization and audio library. So in the previous video we learned how to create Google Analytics ID for your channel. So in this lecture, in this video we will learn this. So first we will go to our channel. So from here you can select your channel. So go to your channel. So I will sign in with my own channel. So now I'm signed in with my YouTube channel Gmail ID, and now we will go to YouTube Studio. So here we will see we can see the channel dashboard. Here you see the channel dashboard, but we have no video right now. So here you see channel analytics, current subscriber, you will see subscriber here, you will see summary, your top videos will show here, and here you will see news from YouTube. You can read news from here, notification from here, and it's creator inside the section here. So watch on YouTube, you can watch this creator inside, and here is channel dashboard. You can manage channel dashboard from here. So here we have this section, this menus here. As you see, there is videos. When you click on video, you will see video here, and you can manage. So here you see the video, visibility, restriction, date, views, comment, like, and everything. You will show everything here. And here is playlist. So I will talk about it, playlist, that how we can create playlist. So here you see the analytics. So here you see that looking good, your channel got about the same number of viewers as usual. So here you can see the viewers of your channel. We have 0 viewers, watch time, everything is nil. There is nothing because we have no data on our website. So it's reach. When you click on reach, here you will see the impression. You can, when you mouse over here, you will see that how many times your video thumbnail were shown to viewers, includes only impression on YouTube, not on external sites or app. So impression means when I go to YouTube. So I will show you. I will go to YouTube, and I search for anything, how to rank on first page. When I search for this keyword, and you see that there are so many videos in front of me. So I see this video, but I never clicked on it. I don't click on it. So this is called impression. YouTube show me this video, but I'm not opening this video. So this is called impression. So as you see, impression, as when you mouse over, it will show you how many times your video thumbnail were shown to viewers. So impression click-through rate. So viewers per impression shown. This measure how often viewers watched a video after seeing an impression. So when I click a video, when I click this video, so it will count here that how many people click on this video. So this is views, the total views of your, this is unique viewers, how many estimated number of people that watched your content within the selected date range. So it's engagement means that estimated total hours of viewing time of your content from your audience. So how much time your videos were viewed on this period. So average view duration, estimated average minute watched per views for the, as you can see, you can read this, and its audience. So here you can see subscribers. You can count your subscriber here. Here you can see the date, and when you go down, when your viewers are on YouTube, top countries, top subtitle, age and gender, you can see all these detail here. And when you click on advanced mode, you will see more result here, videos, views by video, traffic source, geography. Traffic source means that where are your traffic coming from Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and from Google, from Bing. And the geography means from country, from which country your traffic coming for viewer. As you can see that what is the age of your viewer, 13 to 17, 18 to 24, 50, 25 to 20. So you can count, you can see the viewers. You can also see the viewers gender, that male, female, how much, and you can see the date, playlist, device type. You can also see that viewers are watching my videos from iOS devices, Android, tablet, PC. And when you click on more, you will see YouTube products, publish format, playback location. You can all see all this in advanced mode, and also you can compare. And when we go back, so in video you can also see views, watch time, or subscriber, estimated revenue, impression, and impression to click rate. And you can also add filter by this, that device type, geography, live, on demand, operating system, publish date. So you can see all these settings here. And also you can see this graph on engagement, top video, top videos by end screen, top playlist, top in. So you can see all this information here on your dashboard and playlist. And when you go to reach, and you can also see the traffic source, that where is your traffic coming from, impression, and how they lead to watch time, traffic source, playlist, traffic source external. You can read all these things here. But our channel is empty, there is no video in our channel, but we will upload a video, and again we will show this setting to you: traffic source, suggested videos, traffic source, YouTube search, how many people search your video on YouTube, how many traffic source suggested, what are suggesting your content. You can also select date from this is last 28 days. You can select last 7 days, last 28, last 90, and you can select here. And also you can click on custom, and you can custom it. So hope you understand this analytics. And here you can see comments, all comments you can read here, and you can control here. Help for review, likely, spam, and filter. You can filter your subscriber count and everything here. And here we see the subtitle. If your video have a subtitle, you will see all this here: draft, community, published. And get your videos translated easily and automatically. YouTube community can help your videos reach a global audience at no cost to you. All you need to do is turn it on. So how it works: spread the word, let your friends and the rest of the YouTube community know how they can help. Watch the progress. So when you click on turn it on, set language, so we will select language to US. So select English, and you can select your own country language. So we will select English here. So I have selected and set language. So let your fan and the rest of the YouTube community know how they can help with this link. So this is a monetization, channel monetization. So I told you in the previous video, when you complete 1k subscriber and 4k watch time, then you will be able to monetize your channel, and your video will show ads on your video, and then you can earn money from your ads. So this is audio library. In audio library you can add free YouTube music to your videos, and you can create free videos with this music. These are all free, and you can play and you can download it. So simply click on this download, and later you can edit with videos and you can convert, you can add a slideshow, and you can do anything. So these are competitors. This is a show here with the help of this extension. I will talk about it later. And this setting is done, and no in the next video we will talk about keywords tools to get keywords for your video and your channel. So I hope you understand this section, this lecture about channel dashboard, videos, playlist, analytics. I will talk about playlist when we create a video. Then we will do on-page SEO and also off-page SEO, and how we can rank on the first page of YouTube. So see you on the next video.